For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. In a bold and strategic move that caught the attention of the market, prominent investor Cathie Wood has significantly expanded her exposure to two leading technology powerhouses, Amazon and Advanced Micro Devices, through her exchange-traded funds operated under ARK Invest. This decision signals renewed faith in the upward trajectory of these companies, which are deeply embedded in the ever-evolving sectors of cloud computing, e-commerce, semiconductors, and artificial intelligence. Wood's portfolio adjustments also included a noteworthy exit from two other major players in the artificial intelligence and data analytics space, Palantir Technologies and CRWV. During the trading session on Tuesday, the ARK Next Generation Internet Exchange Traded Fund made a considerable investment by purchasing 29,837 shares of Amazon, the global leader in e-commerce and cloud infrastructure. This transaction amounted to approximately $6,200,000. Simultaneously, the ARKW Exchange Traded Fund added 53,081 shares of Advanced Micro Devices, another tech heavyweight known for its cutting-edge semiconductor technologies and leadership in artificial intelligence computing. This purchase was valued at close to $6,100,000, demonstrating Wood's continued conviction in the long-term relevance of microchip innovation and computational power. Turning our focus to the broader market sentiment, Amazon continues to attract a bullish outlook from analysts on Wall Street. While there have been ongoing concerns regarding the implications of global tariffs on Amazon's retail division, the general consensus is that these concerns are unlikely to derail the company's long-term growth narrative. Analysts have expressed strong confidence in Amazon's extensive global logistics network, its dominant share in the cloud computing space through Amazon Web Services, and its rapidly expanding influence in artificial intelligence applications. As a result, Amazon has earned a strong buy consensus rating built on 47 buy recommendations and a single hold. The average stock price target for Amazon is currently set at $241.29, reflecting an expected upside of roughly 17.3% from current price levels. Meanwhile, analysts have adopted a more cautious but still optimistic stance on Advanced Micro Devices. The company has seen mounting pressures stemming from rising geopolitical tensions, particularly trade wars, as well as increasing limitations on chip exports and a generally uncertain macroeconomic landscape. Despite these headwinds, Advanced Micro Devices maintains a moderate buy rating underpinned by 22 buy recommendations and 10 holds. The consensus price target for its stock is $126.55, which suggests a potential gain of around 8%. This outlook reflects tempered optimism. Analysts see significant innovation potential, but they are also aware of the external risks that could dampen performance in the near term. Beyond Amazon and Advanced Micro Devices, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest also made substantial moves in the healthcare and biotechnology sectors. This move appears to be part of ARK's broader strategy to diversify its holdings into companies that are leveraging artificial intelligence and data analytics for breakthroughs in personalized medicine. In addition, ARK expanded its investment in 10x Genomics, a company recognized for its innovation in gene sequencing and cellular biology tools. The firm purchased 289,802 shares of 10x Genomics with an investment value of around $2,740,000. However, not all of ARK's recent moves were bullish. The ARKW Exchange Traded Fund executed a large-scale sale of CRWV shares, unloading 108,281 shares for a total transaction value exceeding $13 million. CRWV, which specializes in providing high-performance cloud infrastructure optimized for artificial intelligence workloads, has been both a beneficiary and a victim of the AI market's volatile valuation cycles. On the same day, ARK Innovation also divested from Palantir Technologies by selling 45,690 shares valued at around $6 million. This reduction signals a possible recalibration in ARK's stance toward companies that, while still part of the AI narrative, may be facing valuation challenges or slower than expected monetization pathways. Looking at how the market views these companies, CRWV currently holds a moderate buy consensus rating. Proponents of the stock believe it stands to benefit enormously from rising demand for artificial intelligence services, particularly those requiring intense computational resources. Yet other analysts remain skeptical due to the company's elevated valuation metrics, high levels of debt, and uncertain path to consistent profitability. profitability. As such, while some investors are betting on CoreWeave's long-term relevance in the AI infrastructure race, others are sounding the alarm over its financial fundamentals. Palantir Technologies, despite its solid revenue growth and deep entrenchment in both government and commercial sectors, also faces scrutiny. Analysts have assigned the company a hold consensus rating, reflecting concerns that its current stock price may be too high relative to its earnings and growth forecasts. While Palantir continues to expand its artificial intelligence offerings and deepen its partnerships in the defense and public sector ecosystems, the sentiment on Wall Street remains cautious. From a price forecast perspective, the outlook for both Palantir Technologies and CoreWeave is rather sobering. According to analysts' consensus targets, Palantir's stock could decline by approximately 25% from its current levels. CoreWeave faces an even steeper potential downside, with estimates pointing to a drop of around 69%. These projections underscore the importance of exercising due diligence when investing in high-growth, high-volatility sectors, especially when valuation metrics stretch far beyond traditional financial benchmarks. Essentially, Cathie Wood recently made notable portfolio shifts through her ARK Invest exchange-traded funds, demonstrating continued confidence in the growth prospects of key technology companies while scaling back on others facing valuation challenges. Specifically, Wood increased her holdings in Amazon and Advanced Micro Devices, with her ARK Next Generation Internet exchange-traded fund acquiring nearly $6,200,000 worth of Amazon shares and over $6,100,000 in Advanced Micro Devices stock. These moves highlight her bullish stance on the long-term potential of e-commerce, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Meanwhile, ARK trimmed its exposure to Palantir Technologies and CoreWeave, offloading millions in shares as concerns around lofty valuations, debt levels, and profitability continue to mount. Analysts remain overwhelmingly positive on Amazon, assigning it a strong buy rating and forecasting an upside of more than 17%. Sentiment toward Advanced Micro Devices is cautiously optimistic, with a moderate buy consensus and a projected upside of roughly 8%. In contrast, Palantir Technologies and CoreWeave face steeper headwinds, with analysts forecasting potential downside risks of approximately 25% and 69% respectively, underscoring growing skepticism around their current market valuations. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.